Keyboardio unboxing. 2.5 years later.
I know. It's like finding like Jumanji, you know?
Danny, who is behind the camera, went all the way to Austin with me to see this thing, only to find out that they had changed the time of the demonstration at the last minute.
How far away are we from Austin?
We are about an hour and 15 minutes from where the demonstration was. This packaging is really nice. They did a nice job with it. Let's see here. The screwdriver looks legit.
Is it a sonic screwdriver?
Yes, it is sonic. I can hear it. If y'all have seen the Christmas specials where David Tennant leaves, that will make sense. These are the pieces that you will use to join the keyboard if that is your intention. And let's see, I bet there's some cabling under here. Yep. Start guide. This is one of the PVT run keyboards. So it's essentially the same as Final Production, but I was lucky enough to get it several months earlier.
Little octopuses.
Yep.
Octopi.
These are how you adjust the angle of the keyboard. So let's pull all this cabling out. Get rid of this big box. That they did a nice job packaging. Not sure what that's for. I guess if you have some kind of weird keyboard layout, you can.
It's laminated, so you could
mark it.
mark it with a little.
Right on wipe off marker.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Okay, so let's get to the meat of it here. So. Keyboardio put a lot of effort into figuring out how to make these tilt and tense work properly. You'd read the updates and they had a new tilt and tent option every month, and looks like they did a pretty nice job of making these come out. Alright, so rotate that to change the angle.
Okay.
Yeah, so it kind of depends what angle you want on your keyboard. You just rotate the see, that would be weird. So let's just see here.
So if I ever want to mess with you, I'll just go over there and adjust it before you come to Newark.
Thank you, Jamie. Yes, that is exactly how you can mess with me. So that looks about right to me. So you just kind of.
I don't think you'll usually be standing up typing like that.
I do have a standing desk, but all right. So what's kind of interesting is they use an RJ45 cable to connect the two halves. So
If you want to type out like this, you can just make your own.
you don't have to make your own cable, because guess what? It comes with this too. So if you want to spread out, it comes with this one, so you could get about like that. I'm going to start with the short one. feel like oh, there we go. I just had to put a little more pressure on it to.
Let's get the close up of the mounting
Oh, yeah.
here. Okay, so yeah, it's just kind of RJ45 right there.
Yeah, it's just an RJ45. I do like how they a lot of times on equipment like this, they give you about that much room to get your RJ45 in. So they obviously gave you enough room. That really annoys me, especially speakerphones. It seems like they just don't give you enough room to work to get the RJ45 in there. On this thing, they did. So let's. I'm just struggling a little bit because I am not the most dexterous person.
It might have been easier to do without the little feet on there.
Yeah, I probably should have done done that first and then done the feet. If I wanted to, I could put these on, which would.
What are?
So what these are. And it looks like if I wanted these, I probably should have put them on first, but they go on like this, I believe.
You know what? Why don't we just go and remove the?
Yeah, let's remove these.
This thumb screw is.
Take these feet off. Here. Okay. Now I seem to remember something about on the PVT run they ended up getting something backwards. Let's try going this way. Yeah.
No.
Yeah, that's something that they're fixing on the production run, but did not get fixed in time for the PVT run. So now you can see that. Now I'm going to put the feet back on.
Yes.
It's interesting here. So let's put them about like that and see how that works. I'm trying to make all the developers and Jeremiah and whatnot around here jealous for this keyboard.
Looks like it's a USB-C
It is.
port.
Yep.
That's nice.
All right. So now I got a Colmax set of keys with this, but those won't actually come until the production run is complete. So I don't need that. I don't need that. So let's take this over
To your desk.
to my desk.
You don't need that little chiclet keyboard anymore.
No, we can get
Thank
rid
you,
of this.
Amazon Basics,
Yeah,
getting us 2 years of mediocre performance.
Yeah, let's do this. All right. So USB-C. And we'll unplug. There we go. Let's see, where is the?
It's going to be up here.
There we go. It's up at the top. All right, let me just minimize some things here. Okay, it wants to know. Now there's some firmware upgrades that I have to put in place on this that came out after it was shipped. So
I think you're going to want to hit the Z key right now to complete the
Yeah.
setup that's there on your Mac.
and then we'll go that one.
The normal kind of.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we'll just go with ANSI for now, and There's a specific keyboard layout. I think I need to update in firmware later, but we'll do that some other time. Let's just see what typing on this thing is like. All right. Where's my backspace?
Backspace is right
Oh,
here.
there we go.
I have
They
some,
they do say this is going to take a minute to get used to. Space. Shift. Okay, here we go. Space.
You can see your productivity going down the drain now.
Yeah, just wait till I get Colmac. I'll be typing 100 words a minute.
Huh.
All right.
In another 2 years.
No. All right. So it feels very nice. The mechanical keys are have nice travel and feedback, and they feel the right thing. My coworkers will thank me for not having bought the clicky one.
Yes. It's nice and quiet. It's about the same noise level as that Amazon Chiclet keyboard.
Yep. But oh, you know what? My keys were on the wrong keys. That's why I had trouble. Let's see here. Where's my? This is going to take a little getting used to. The one thing I like right now though is just how sculpted the keycaps are. That just feels very comfortable, very nice. But yeah, it's a nice, comfortable keyboard. Looks great.
Very nice. Thank you.